We are joining this activity back to nature for 2 days, 1 night at the Chiling waterfall. It's a very awesome outing. We have very wonderful time with the Hong Kong chapters and other JCI members and non-members. We are having a great bonding together, having fun. So please come and join us and get to know us more. Thank you very much.
Just to warm up, and then each of us, the rule is follow the leader.
1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 4.
I feel that JCI PJ has done something different, something really good that we don't always go entertainment outlet and enjoy ourselves. This is something which we need to do always, like exercise and also back to the nature, like the team back to the nature. So I think it's very meaningful and well done for the committee.
Go.
Move, go. Chiling.
2日裏邊咧就感受到原始嘅氣氛啦，同埋咧就真係第一次咧試過喺個 waterfall 裏邊咧去游水嘅，即係原來咧 PJ 呢邊咧係有個咁深入嘅交流嘅，感受到係即係 JCI PJ 係好團結啦。咁如果有咁嘅機會再嚟嘅話咧，咁我一定會參與嘅。係啦，多謝。
Thank you very much for JCI inviting us to come here. I'm very happy. Journey is very good back to nature. I'm speaking on behalf of my kids here. Do you think it's good or not? Yeah.
太耐冇玩過呢一個 campsite， 可能超過20年啦，我都有。一去到嘅時候，個感覺好唔同。咁你亦都係準備晒所有嘅嘢，我覺得你哋安排真係好好。跟住沿途嘅風景啦，同埋個瀑布啦，咁亦都係令到我覺得好意外、好靚、好感覺咧嚇，我覺得係真係好大自然，好好啊！咁啊，呢2日嘅旅程，我覺得係俾到我哋一個好熱情嘅一個招待。好多謝你 BJ，Thank you.
Feel amazing for 2 days program. Hope everyone is enjoying because this is the time that we bonding together among the members, and also we are having sister chapter also joining us. Hope to continue this event for next year with the new VP individual. Thank you. See you.
Welcome to Part 1. Yeah.
JCI PJ 嘅招待啦，呢2日都非常之刺激好玩嘅，我都未試過去探訪姊妹會有咁嘅安排嘅。咁啊，最特別係我喺瀑布嘅下邊挑戰 JCI PJ 嘅會長啦，喺最高嗰度跳落嚟啦。咁啊，呢個係好好嘅體驗，亦都係建立到我哋2個分會嘅2個 chapter 嘅友誼咯。
Wonderful trip, minus the rain, but otherwise it's great. So thanks Riz and team as well. I think they did a damn good job. For everyone here, I think there was a good friendship opportunities, and hopefully there will be more of this in the future.
Thank you very much for the JCI PJ's hospitality to bring me back to the nature, because I love camping a lot, and this is great for us, and I feel your passion to a lot of arrangement for us, and we feel very happy and enjoy the trip a lot. I will come again, and I would like to invite all of you to join our anniversary in 26th of June. Waiting for you.
Very funny, very natural.
很谢谢JCI PJ， 玩得很开心。
Back to nature, this activity is something very special.
It's a beautiful and a wonderful experience. Great job JCI PJ.
Hari ini kita seronok pergi panjat, mandi air waterfall. So, semua happy, semua enjoy. Thank you.
To all the organizing community together to make this Hong Kong trip successful, to make our sister chapter happy. And I wish more members from JCI PJs and Hong Kong welcome. Please come to more projects in futures. So see you later in Back to Nature 2.0.